Good morning, guys. So yesterday was a 12-hour day, I believe. Let's see. Well, oh no, it was longer than 12. 9 a.m. to, well, I went to bed at about 5 a.m. So it's now 11:24. Been to town, done a few things. Let's get into this. Here is the 2003 Baja. Okay, so we've got our lift on it. I am very unhappy with the lift. Now you can see the drilled and slotted rotors in the back. The front, yeah, if you watch that show, you will find out that in the front we unfortunately, yes we did, broke both bolts holding the ball joints in. So, yep. We're going to have to, after July the 4th, when I get back, we're going to pull the front end back apart. I'll take them and get them drilled out, get the bearings put in, and then put it back together. Not looking forward to it, if you can tell, but hey, we'll get it done. Now, what I need your guys' help with is the 42. So that Baja is going up on top of this 42 flatbed. It was designed to haul steel during World War II. And it's going to be hauling a Baja, the adventure vehicle. We are going to need ramps for the back of this. And that's where you guys come in. We're going to need ramps for the back of this. Get that Baja up on here. Here is the 42. So when I get back, the 42, we're going to finish the lights. I get the headlight buckets off. I'm going to soak those again before I take off. I don't know if they're bolted or studded. I believe they're studded, and well, nope, they're bolted. So if we break them off, it's not the end of the world. We may even have to cut them off. We'll see how that goes. But we're going to get this all ready for clear. Get the body all cleared. Again, the only rust we really have is this little bit on the bottom door edges. That's it. So other than that, that puppy is gorgeous. Now, our steel flatbed is a solid steel sheet. Shouldn't be an issue, but we have to figure out exactly how we're going to do ramps on the back of this. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments, and we're going to get this put back together up on the road. I am looking forward to the adventure, guys. The adventure begins. So stay tuned for the rest of the adventure as we work down this road together and get ourselves on the road. Hey guys, I just want you guys to have a safe 4th of July and happy Independence Day to you and yours. Get out there and enjoy yourselves, and I will see you guys after the 4th. Bye.